Well, guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an ebook to Shopify. So head over to shopify.com and log into your account. On the top search bar, type in digital downloads. Click on the app. This is a Shopify app and it's totally free. Click on install. Make sure to grant permission. There we go. We can now confirm that we have installed the app. For the next step, you can now upload your ebook. If you don't have an ebook yet, you can use Canva to make an ebook. In Canva, you can search for ebook templates, choose a free template, use it as a reference, customize it with your own text, images, and content. Once your ebook is ready, download it as a PDF file. Then go back to Shopify because we'll be uploading it as a digital product. Now, click on Products, then click on Add Product. Now type in the title of your ebook. For example, let's say, then add the product descriptions. This is an ebook, and etc. Now scroll down to the product settings. Under shipping, right here, toggle the physical product. And there we go. It is no longer a physical product. So this tells Shopify that your ebook is a digital item and does not need shipping. After this, you can now upload images, for example, like your ebook cover, some teasers, and etc. Let's add our price. After saving, go to the top right corner and click on More Actions. Choose Digital File. From here, we can now upload the PDF version of our ebook. So once the file has been uploaded, Shopify will automatically deliver the ebook to the customers after purchase. Click on Save. There we go. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.